On the 6th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 6 geese a-laying. And now it's time for that lady who loves watching a gaggle of geese, Teri Rice.
And I really do. Okay, because I like it that they mate forever. I think it's just so sweet. Okay. I'm doing this right now because I thought I finally was done coughing, but hopefully I can get through it without coughing too much. Okay, now when I bought this Temu dye, I thought you got 2 geese, but you just got 1, and he also has this little hat. But I do have an extra scarf, but it doesn't look like this one. And as far as I can tell, it doesn't go anywhere. So anyhow, I'm gonna do 2 geese, and I'm just gonna make them look different. Okay, so I'm just gonna, so I've got the same pieces, but this one I took, and one of my wonderful subscribers suggested that you just take this kind of tool and go over it backwards, or go over it in reverse. And so I've already done that. And then I also, to actually add to it, I was looking, I thought I had one with a bigger ball, but I didn't. But I found this pen, and I don't even think it works anymore, but I thought, usually we just use it for a microphone when the kids are here. So anyhow, I did that with it, so it kind of gave it that shape. And I did the same thing with its wings. So this is how I'm gonna make them look. And didn't they turn out so cute? I mean, I did it like theirs. I love the different color of wings like that. And I just thought that was so fun. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna just put these aside. Okay, so this is gonna be the one that is facing that away. I'll tell you, I'm really over this cough. And I was getting up and, thinking I would be over it every day. I thought I was over it. And then it's like it just knocked me down again. So I'm just gonna hang out at home until it's really gone. Would you bring me that bottled water? I can only have bottled water by me because one day I just dumped it on myself.
Here's your water, mistress.
I'd like to thank you, but I'm too busy coughing. Sorry, I just might have to do that every now and then. Okay, so I've got that done. And then I'm also going to do that with the little beak part. I'm gonna put black ink on one side for his eye. I'm sorry, I keep making that noise. So I used black soot for that part. And then I'm gonna use tea dye for the beak. I had to pause and get something stronger, like salt water. So I did the other wings. I'm also doing the feet with the tea dye. And I also rubbed those down with this too because I had to make them face the other direction. Oops, I think I ran out. I just love how these turned out. Oh, and I didn't tell you, Ginger actually gave us a different list than the 12 Days of Christmas. I think I did mention it yesterday. But so today is supposed to be geese laying. Use plaid paper to represent laying on a Christmas blanket. So my geese are not going to be laying eggs. They're just going to be wearing the plaid scarves and hat. Okay, so I think I'm ready for their legs. And where's my glue? Okay, I do have two of them here, so one of them should be right and ready. Okay. And I'll tell you, this dye, everything fits together so nicely. You know, sometimes it just seems a little off or something, but these are just perfect. And I'm just gluing them more at the top so I can kind of flip the wing up a little bit. And there is lines to put it on. And then I was kind of pulling them up a little bit. But look at how cute he is already. Or she. Maybe it's a she since they're supposed to be laying. Oops. Where did I lose my nose? Oh, there it is.
Did you tell your viewers how well you like goose eggs?
I've never had a goose egg, so no, I have not. Okay, so now I'm gonna start the other one and then I'll dress them. Okay, and another wing. It's cold and windy here today. Yesterday I had to go out in it. Today I am not. Okay, and I'm just kind of pulling up those feathers a little. Oh, and I think this time I'm going to put the glue over here. Because otherwise I think I could have got the eye sticking. Or glue in the eye. Except for I still might have. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I've got my two geese. And now I'm going to dress them. Okay. They're very well dressed geese. Okay. And I'll tell you, it took me a while to figure out how this went on the hat because I kept wanting to set it this way, but it actually goes the other way. And I debated doing the hat just in red, but I decided it would be really cute in plaid too. Okay, and then the scarves. I guess I could have inked everything first, but I didn't. I really like the little bit of inking around the edges. Okay, I think I have that one completely dressed. Okay, and now this one here. So I'm just looking at this, trying to mimic this goose. And so his hat is shorter. So I'm actually just gonna cut it off. If I can figure out what I do with my scissors. I think I cut it twice by the time I was done yesterday, but I think that's gonna do it. And I don't think, oh, and then I cut an extra hat piece because I considered just, you know, putting an extra plaid one on there. And so then I decided I was gonna use that as part of my scarf. So I am gonna put this here. Well, let's see, which way did I decide I wanted it? I think I'm going to put it this way. So it's going to be like that. Okay. So now I'm going to ink all that. Where's my black? And I better ink it again because it was getting kind of light. And then my little hat. And I only have to do the top part because the other part's going to be covered. And the scarf. And then somehow I ended up with this piece. I think it was one of them I tried to cut out the hat and it slid off. And I looked everywhere for it and then I found that little funky piece and I thought that must be it. Okay. So I'm actually going to put this piece on first. And this one almost looks like it's tied like somebody would wear a tie. And I think I was putting this on this way, or was it this way? Oh, that way, I think. Okay. Okay, now I've got my tweezers here. I think I'm gonna use those. Got a little too much ink. Glue. Okay. Oh, I thought I was short a little palm ball for his hat. And here I went and cut another one and I didn't need it. Oh well, I got one for the next time. If I end up with extra parts, I just put them in a container together. So if I want to, when I make them again, I'll have parts of them already started. Because usually I make extra for my friend, but it's like I'm just trying to make it through the day here. So I'm not doing any extra today. When she comes over, anything she wants, I'll either just give her or we'll make her a set. Okay, wow, I really got some extra glue on there. Yep, okay. I think it's good to go. Oh, I lost a little pom ball. I think these are just so adorable. So, yeah, I figured since Ginger gave us this list, I would try to work in what I have already planned and the things that she had wanted us to do. Since, you know, there's no wrong way. And I'll just try to work them together. And I love my little geese with the plaid scarves. So that's perfect. So thank you for joining me. I will have close-ups at the end. And everyone else who is making videos, there's one link where you can just go see them all and skip around. There's, you know, if you've watched them before, there'll be a red line. So if you watch this one, you won't, you know, you'll see that you've already watched it, and you won't be there going, oh, I don't even know which ones I watched. You can still see that line on them, even in that list. So otherwise, there is a link that shows us all, just like when we first started doing it. So thanks for joining me. Have a wonderful and blessed day. I will have close-ups at the end. Bye-bye.